how to make a WEBFLOW Navbar change color on scroll. So first go to your WEBFLOW designer and then just click on nav here at the left side, and then just click on the wrench icon here at the right side, and then look for interactions, okay, and then look for page trigger, and just click on the plus icon here, and then click on while page is scrolling. Okay, as for the action, let's add an action. Click on play scroll animation, and then just click on the plus icon here next to scroll animations, and then let's add BG color here. Scroll down. So for this one, let's set it to 0%, and as for the color, let's set it to transparent. Okay, next is for the next one, let's just click on the plus icon again, and then just click on BG color again, and then let's change the keyframe to 2% next. Okay, and then just click on the background and just make it transparent again, and then click on another one and click on BG color again, and then for this one, let's just say I want to make the keyframe 10%. Okay, so as for the background, let's just let's say I want to change it to color this one. Okay, now as for the 100%, let's just say I want to change the background into black once it scrolls down to black. Okay, now just save it. Oh wait, save it, then click on publish. Now let's try previewing the website, and we'll see if this color changed. Okay, so let's start scrolling. So you can see now it's starting to change, and once it hits black, I mean the bottom of the page, it turns black. Okay, so that's how you do it. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.